Hey, what's up guys? I'm Mark Wayne, and this is Mark Wayne Designs. Today we're going to be learning how to make ice dye hoodies from white jackets. If you're ready to be down for that, let's go. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make ice dye hoodies, similar to this one that I have on right here for you guys, but not quite, because this one has stars. This is the Galaxy hoodie. You'll learn how to make these. If you want to learn how to make these, let me know in the comments. Say something, let me know, and then I'll make a video on how I make this. But for right now, we're going to be dyeing this white hoodie. Make sure your hoodie is always cotton. It has to be always 100% cotton to maybe 70% cotton. I'm going to say that, but anything under 70% cotton, it's not going to hold that well. So the best, always going to use anything closer to 100% cotton. This one is around 90, so it's going to hold majority of all the color. And make sure you have soda ash. Soda ash is going to make sure the color sticks. That's what you're going to have to do at the beginnings. Rinse off your jacket in water, warm water. It's going to rinse off this coat that's on the jacket that most of the time when you spill something, it just rolls right off. But other than that, you just rinse off, and then you start doing your soda ash. And after you do your soda ash, you do all your colors, and make sure your colors are all spread out nice and well. And then you put your ice on, or you can put it on top of the ice. Either one helps, doesn't matter. But the way we're gonna do it, you're gonna see. And sorry about my video quality. My video quality is really thin. It went to like selfie mode video, but hey, you guys can see everything just fine. So hey, enjoy, watch my video, like it, and learn something new. Laters.
Alright guys, this is soda ash water. You need this water in order to make your designs. So you gotta rinse it out, put this jacket inside that tub of water that you see right here, and this is called soda ash. You need this because this helps the color bond to the fabric. You need it. If you don't get it, it's not going to stick. Alright? Now follow me now.
So what you do now is squeeze all that water out, which is the soda ash. Don't squeeze all of it out, but just squeeze a good amount out, because you can't squeeze all that out by hand.
So now here is time to make our design. We have to ball it up and make our design of how we want it to lay. These cracks and crevices inside this will create an effect in our tie-dye, ice tie-dye. So you gotta rubber band it and get it all tight and nice and neat, and so you can hold it in place, and then go from there. This is how it's supposed to look. You see that? That is really nice and perfect.
Okay, here I'm going to be using the foil. I'm going to wrap this shirt. This foil is to hold all the ice instead of having the ice scattered everywhere. I use foil for this.
See that? That's one reason why we use foil. Dang, look at that. But that's the reason why, because we can always fix it. You see that? Look how easy this can be fixed.
Okay, now I'm going to be showing you the 3 colors that I'm going to be using on this design. And you see I had brown and I had turquoise, and we're going to be using black, but we're going to see. Check this out.
All right, here, look at the brown. The brown's going to look more like a red color, like a chocolate red, like a red velvet color. Here is the black. The black I'm going to be using, the black is going to be black. The brown seemed like it would be brown, but it came out like a red velvet color. Here, we're doing the soda ash. You gotta put the soda ash on there. And here we go with the ice. Dang, look how that ice is getting held with that foil, guys. Look at that. You see, if we didn't do that, that ice would be everywhere. Turquoise, my favorite color. Now it's time to sprinkle this all over the ice. As you see, I'm not using a lot of this, but it's gonna take over all of this ice. And you're gonna see all the ice is gonna turn blue. You can't see it, but you're gonna see it in just a second. Now we're gonna put this soda ash all over so it can stick, guys. All right, we're gonna get this. It's gonna be awesome. Now watch this. Look at that. Look how fast that stuff is melting. Even though we did hyperspeed.
24 hours later.
Oh yeah, this came out perfect. This is exactly what I wanted.
Here, we're just getting this started. The colors, the rubber bands, now we just gotta rinse it off. Now let's get it.
All right, the thing what you have to do is this. You see all that color coming out? You got to keep letting that rinse until you don't see any more color. And then you flip it on the other side. And then you start doing with it what I'm doing now. Removing the rubber bands. One cool thing about ice dye, you get cool little speckles like of colors. See those colors in there?
That's what gives it its art.
This bad boy is looking awesome right now. You should see it, but I can't show you guys yet. So squeeze all that water out.
Wash it on warm with a little bit of detergent, you'll be good. Dry it on low so your cotton don't shrink. Now let's see what we have.
Make sure to give it an iron. Don't iron on too high, but iron all the wrinkles out so you can give it a smooth surface.
But I must say, this thing here came out marvelous. Mark Wayne, looks like you did it again. Like and subscribe if you want to see future videos like this.
Till next time, guys, peace. And thanks for watching.